Hi, you guys. It's Miss Cordling here, and I wanted to take a couple minutes to go over the Adobe Color tool that we are asking you to use. So, for this assignment, we do not want you choosing random colors, like four pretty colors. We want you to use this color tool so that you actually end up with a color scheme. Color schemes are groups of colors that go well together, and we want your artwork to look like everything goes well together. This tool is a little bit tricky to use, so we are giving you time to kind of play around with it and to use it to get four colors that go together. So I'm going to show you just some options, and then you're going to click around and sort of figure things out. So these are color schemes. They're called analogous, monochromatic, triad, complementary, split complementary, double split complementary, square, compound, shades, and custom. So right now, we're going to stay out of shades and custom. So you can use all these others. And what I want you to notice is how this selection pattern changes each time I choose a different type of grouping. Okay, so here I'll go back. These are next to each other. This is basically one color. Triad makes a triangle. Complements are across from each other. A split complement is it's like across from each other, but one side splits. So a double split across from each other, but both sides split. A square is gonna do what? It's making a square. And I've never heard of compound before. So there's a compound. All right. So you need four colors. One good one to use is the double split complement or the square, because those are going to have four. You can use others, but I'm going to work just here to show you how this tool works. So when you move these around, it shifts the colors. So let's say you just love blues and purples. You can kind of move them around. Okay. You can also, right now they're on the edge of the circle, so they're the bright versions. If you want to make them lighter, if you grab the circle and bring it in, it changes it. Okay, so you can play around a little bit. But what happens is down here, it is suggesting the colors that look good together. Okay, so I know that these don't exactly match your watercolor pencils, and we'll deal with that later. But right now, we want you to have a color scheme in mind. So let's say I just love this one. It is like so my favorite. I'm going to do Control and Shift, and the little square with two lines, it's right above the 6, all three together. And I'm just going to capture that part of my screen. Oh, look, it got me too. And that goes onto my computer. It's saved as a screenshot. Now, a really fun thing to do with your graffiti names is ombre. And look what this thing does. Down here, it gives you all these cool ombre pairings. So I would take a picture of this too. So again, Control, Shift, that little thing above the 6. And I'm just going to get that little section of ombre. And then what you should do is upload those color scheme images into your My Name Graffiti Style digital sketchbook. Okay, so get those both in there, and we will take a look at your colors, and then you'll be good to go. So a word of warning, the reason why we're requiring four colors is because graffiti has some roots in gang-related activity, and we need to make sure that all of our artworks stay out of gang-related symbolism and colors. So your project has to have four colors in it, not 5, not 3, okay, exactly 4. You can add black and white later. We're not going to count those as colors, but you need 4 colors in your artwork. Okay, so that's how to use that tool. Hopefully that's helpful, and I hope that you have fun with it because it is kind of fun to see what it does with the colors. Okay, all right, good luck, you guys. See you later.